Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find saved login information settings on your accounts on Snapchat, easy and quick. First click on the settings icon here, and now here you will find it on account actions. Here you will find saved login information, click on it, and here as you see you will find your saved login information on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.